I'm now going to show you how to fit the waistcoat harness to the Atom. So we've got 4 straps to the waistcoat. We've got the 2 bottom straps and the 2 top shoulder straps. With the bottom straps, if I just remove the back pad, it's a bit easier to see. So we're going to feed the back straps through the back of the chair. And then, as you can see, we've got a gap between the back of the chair and the side panel, and another cam lock here. We're just going to feed those through the cam locks. We can now pop the back pad back into place and remove the shoulder pad. We can then attach the shoulder straps through the plastic grooves in the shoulder support. Then on the reverse, we've got 2 more cam locks that will lock the straps in place. Now, once all of your straps are in place, ensure that you fit each strap with the safety clip by feeding it through the bottom, back up through the top. Ensure there's enough material there in the clip, and then we can close that safety clip into place. So once all of those straps are in place, you can then return the shoulder pad into place. As you can see on the harness, we've got a reverse zip. So if the child has a gastronomy peg site, then we've got access to that. We've also got 4 button clips as well, where we're able to completely remove the harness. And then we can clip the harness back on